Target Trading Academy.
Hello everyone, it's Dan O'Brien with Target Trading Academy, and I'm doing this video here to wrap up the week and the month of October with our trade submissions for Friday, October 29th. And we had several people send in their trade results, but there were, I've seen the most duplicated trades of all time so far. So I only have two names, Osbert and Paul. The other 4 or 5 people that had sent in trades were mimicking exactly what you're going to see here today. So we have 19 trades, 13 winners, 2 losers, and 4 break-evens. Okay, so the first group of trades is from Osbert, and you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades on this one chart. The first trade is a long in the ES. Well, they're all in the ES, and this was a break-even trade. Another one's a break-even trade. This is a very small winning trade. Way up here at the top, buying into a clear resistance level. It somehow turned out to be a small winning trade, which is good. And then as the market turned back down with the high-frequency traders going to the short side, Osbert went short with a nice winning trade here. And then I believe this trade here is 10, what do we got here, 10.24 or so. And that is a break-even trade. So the first target's filled, the trailing stop comes down because it's a short. That's the red. And so that's a break-even trade. And then a nice winning trade here to end it. So in this group, you could see that out of these trades, because Osbert was able to have some of these trades that didn't do much, came out to be break even with a couple of small winners and 2 nice, one decent runner and 1 really good runner up into resistance. Turned out to be $812.50. So a lot of trades there from Osbert. When you have that, and you'll see Paul has a lot of trades as well, that's why there were so many that were duplicates, so you won't see the other names like Kathleen and Dwayne and many others. And that makes sense. Think about it. They're using the same trading technologies, the Carnac algorithms, Carnac technologies, and therefore they should be getting roughly the same trades. All right, so with that, we're going to move on to Paul. Okay, Paul's first trade here was, oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. This is one last trade from Osbert. So this was at 15.32, a real nice long at the end of the day. The market comes up into a support/resistance area, but when it's inside it, if everything's all systems go like they were, the high-frequency traders are really bullish. He went with the momentum, and he let this one run. So that was Osbert's last trade of the day. And then we're going to go to Paul. Okay, Paul has a trade here at 9.35. It's a winner in the ES. Half of his trades are in the ES and the other half are in the NQ. I should say 3 that weren't duplicates, and then the rest are in the NASDAQ. All right, 9.59 short was a win. 10.16 is a short and a loss. 10.24 here is a winner. Now, that last one, by the way, was in the NASDAQ. And the rest of these will be in the NASDAQ. So here we have that was the last one, 10.24, as you can see in the NASDAQ. These are all together here. We have, so this 10.24 was actually a break-even trade. And then 10.43, 10.44, there's one target taken off, and then he brings another target up here, or drags a target down just to reduce the risk, and then it takes off and his last target's filled up here, so that's clearly a winner. And then another long in the NASDAQ for another winner. And that is the 10.57 trade. Still in the NASDAQ, this is 11.57 a long, right at resistance. Come on, Paul, which was a loser. 12.08, he writes a little note for me. A nice trade here, which was definitely a winner, as you could see, but he needs to, as he tells me, let it run, because it would have been a giant winner. Good trade, though, Paul. Okay, 1313, another winner in the NASDAQ, and then 1333 a short, another winner. So you can see here the high frequency trading algorithms are really bullish. He takes advantage of that, and then they go on the sell side, takes advantage of that. That's how they're designed. And then this is his final trade here at 1423, a short. Now these red areas are support and resistance zones from market profile. So when it cleared the support level, because the market was coming down, so that should be support. It was, you can see here, perfect for many bars, but then too many sellers came in. He went with the sellers for his last trade of the day. And this is in the ES, by the way, you can see here on the right. So his final trade was in the ES, and that was another winner. All right, so that was the final trade of the day. 19 trades, 13 winners, 2 losers, and 4 break-evens for a pretty good trading day there. And most of the trades there, a lot of them were done by, again, Osbert and Paul. Many others were repeats, so we're never going to double count those, of course. But that's it for today's video and for the videos for October. If you'd like to find out more about how these students are getting the same types of trades, how in the world are they able to, use coveted high-frequency trading methodologies for their own benefit, which most people don't have access to? Well, give us a call. Call us through the Target Trading Academy website or hit us up on our Facebook page, which of course is Target Trading Academy. Hope to see you in the room sometime, and as always, trade well.